Hi, welcome to Intro to Small Business. This video is to show you how to find your missing or incomplete assignments. So you will go to your Intro to Small Business Google Classroom, go to the Classwork tab, and at the top of the tab you will see the button View Your Work, and this is where you will click. And then you will see a list of the assignments and you will see their status. If it says assigned, that means you did not complete it. If you see a check mark, that means you have completed it and I have checked it. If you see the word submitted, that means you submitted it, but I didn't check it and return it to you yet. Remember, to get the Certificate of Achievement for the Intro to Small Business class, you must complete at least 80% of all of the assignments for the course. Thank you.